Are y'all okay? Everybody's all right. You got everybody accounted for? Hey, you got everybody. Everybody's got all their fingers and toes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. NAT at the Bayou Woods. I can be around 159. That's at West Hall.
All right, good.
West Hall and Water.
What up?
What? You said a Freeman overpass?
Over and get by. Counter out. Are you out with the car?
All right, I'm looking for the flip one right now. Just moved into McDonald's parking lot. I got trees. I'm out with the flip one. Hey, can you hear me? Hello? It's on the side. I'm trying to see if I can see somebody inside.
50.
Alright, I do have somebody trapped inside. Hey! Hello!
50, you said multiple?
Hi. Hey! Hey, are you okay? Are you okay? We got somebody coming to help you, okay? Oh shit. Are you hurt? Are you bleeding? Anybody else? Well, it appears the only victim I have so far is in the McDonald's parking lot. There's a wrecked vehicle on Punch Street, but she's all right. All right, just sit tight. We have help coming. I can't hear you, baby. Is there anybody else in the car? Okay, good. Just sit tight, okay? We have people coming. Hey, everybody okay in here?
Yeah, we all right.
Everybody's got all the fingers and toes?
Yes.
Okay. That was a tornado, folks. I'm pretty sure.
That was us that called for him.
Yeah. I was shaking my car on Pine Street, I know that.
I'm for car. But I'm not in the car.
Hey, you still good? You're not bleeding, are you? Okay, anything broken? You feel like you're hurt? Alright, you scared a little? Alright, and me too, okay? You'll be alright. Hey, you're alright, okay? You're alright. Everything else can be fixed, okay? Just hold tight, okay? Just sit tight. Hey, she's okay, but she's trapped in her car. If we get, these cars are clear. Well, let me check this. I can't see in this one. Yeah, this one's clear. She says she's okay. She's moving around and everything all in there. No bleeding, nothing broken.
Alright. So we just right this second. This is widespread.
I know. You can't hear her through the
Are you okay? You're good. I'm going to get a saw and cut this out. We'll just pull you out this way, okay? I'm going to get it out, okay? 1 minute. Get an accident.
All right.
Good or you more?
Hold that for me really quick. Thing.
Covered?
Slidell for the radio log. The female's been removed from the car now.
Alright. I guess just wait inside McDonald's.
There a couple times.
Hey, she's gonna come in with y'all for a little bit, okay?
Can I cut him in?
Yeah, come on. We gotta go around this way. Come on.
Alright.
Holy cow. Hey, are y'all okay? Well, a freaking tornado came through town. Yeah, I mean, it's really dicked up here on Pontchartrain, so, and it was heading kind of towards those, let's see, I'm soaking wet right now. All right, that's all I needed to know. All right, good. All right, bye.
They're talking about the boat place got somebody trapped in there.
I asked everybody. They said they were all accounted for.
Okay, let me go see if
I'll go double check, though. Hello? All right. Hello? All right, everybody still accounted for here? Nobody's trapped here? Okay, because we were getting reports that somebody was trapped here.
Nobody's trapped.
Okay, that's Corey. She says everybody's good. I know I heard them say it was going towards. Man, when I pulled up here, I mean it was still pouring down cats and dogs and.
I'm not gonna lie, man. I was coming from Walmart Natchez.
When I said zero visibility, my car was like all over the place. I thought I was gonna.
I had a dump, an adrenaline dump.
Yeah.
Because I turned around, I got on the overpass at Primo, and I couldn't see anything like you said, and my car was, my SUV started to lift up, and I thought I was going over the bridge.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Oh, I know. I felt it, brother. Because I was down at, I happened to be down on Spartan right before it came in. I said, this doesn't look good. I was looking at the clouds and just all the pine branches breaking off on Spartan.